So if anyone having any doubt, they can ask now only. Okay. Okay, Saurav, go ahead.
Okay, Rakesh. Rakesh, can you please provide the permission for screen sharing?
Not right.
Yeah. Yes, now I can share. So let me know if my screen is visible.
Yes, sir. I can
Yeah, we
see.
can see.
Okay. So like we are having some tools. So that tools we can use like for using Git. So every time like it's not convenient to write the commands and use Git. So we are having tools. So let me go to my browser. So I'll show you. So the most popular one we are using is like uh, source tree. So this is like a GUI based Git interface. So here like we are having the flexibility. Like earlier we are using Tortoise Git back in 2014-15. So nowadays like they didn't provide updates. So we switched to like this source tree version. So here like whatever feature we have in a normal Git, so everything you will get. So let me go to this. So like for installing, like if you want to install, you can also install side by side. So here you will get like download for Windows. So once you click on download for Windows, so you will get the setup. Simply you need to click on next, and the installation will be done. Once the installation is done, so you will get UI something like this. Can you see? So here like whatever files you want to add, so here we can add the commit message, we can commit the files. So here like you can see some remote branches are there, so branch name is there, so whatever we have added, so that all are there. So this is the interface basically, and here we can have all the features, like you can pull from remote the changes which are there in the remote branch, you can pull it to our local branch. So this is the one feature. Another feature is you can create a file, so you can add a file and then you can push it to the repo. So let me show you one by one. So I will do same thing with source tree as well as VS Code. So yesterday we are having, so this is a live project. So this is a multi-vendor e-commerce site in which I'm working right now. So here, like if you go, like yesterday Rakesh is telling, there is a git ignore file. So you will see like here, whatever we want to, like we don't want to be tracked, like version tracking should not be there. So we used to make entries and save it. So once you will commit, so that changes to that file will not reflect. So and like this is the like VS Code editor. So here if you go to this, so this is a source control is there, right? So here whatever changes, suppose I will create one file. So let me minimize all this. So here suppose I will create one file. So I created one text file. Okay, rakesh.txt. So let me write something. This is a text file. So let me save it. So now I created new file. So it's not in there, my repo. So let me go to my repo as well. So yeah, so this is my Git. Yeah, so this is my GitHub account. So here, like I'm having few repos. So like this is the repo. So let me go through this one. So here, like you can see, right? So 14 minutes ago, I did one changes, 34 minutes, I did one changes. So this one, I did it from Tortoise Git. This one, I did it from editor. So here, let me go to my editor once. So yeah, this is the Rakesh file. So I want to move this file to root directory. So let me move it. Yeah, so it came to root directory. Okay, so now what we will do, so this we created in local, so we want to push it to the remote directory. So let us go to this source control. So here, like whatever you can do with commands directly from editor, you can commit. So no need to go to any third-party tool or anything. So here, like you can see, there is one plus icon, right? So stage changes. So whatever will be staged will be pushed to the remote repo. So let me just give a commit message. So like I'll give test git add and push. Okay. Then first we need to add it. So once add is done, so like in stage changes, you can see Rakesh is gone. So there is a minus sign kept. So minus sign is it's ready to be pushed to the remote branch. So now you can, what you can do after you make the changes stashed. So you need to type a message and you can simply commit. So once you will commit, so look, changes are not there. So now what happened once the like commit is done, so you need to sync your local branch and remote branch so that we are on the same page, like on same track we should be there. So sync changes is there, so this up arrow indicates that you will push changes to your origin, like remote branch. So here we are pushing to the master branch. In real time scenario, you will definitely push it to your dev branch first, then after you will push it to QA. Then once QA is done, you will push it to like UAT. So after that, it will go to production. So let me push it. So here it's saying this action will pull and push commit from and to origin master. So you have to press OK. So now it's pushing these changes to the remote branch. Any question, anyone till now?
Sir, this is like a Git only, right?
Yeah, Git only. Look, it's asking for like authorization, so no one else can have access to my repo, right?
Okay.
So I need to give them the access. So like I will use sign in with my browser. So I have auto sign in on, so it will go and like simply push the changes directly to the remote server.
Okay.
So like it's like something very amazing. So like, yeah, look, my changes are like already pushed. So for this you have to like log in. So in your accounts when you go, so there you will see like turn on setting syncs, and also like there are turn on remote tunnel access. So once you do this, so you will get the one option, sign in GitHub. So you need to sign in with your GitHub account. So once you are done, so you can directly start making changes from here. Now some person feels like, no, it's not like very much it's not showing in detail information. I want some detail information. Then what you need to do, you need to go to some like tools like Tortoise Git is there. Let me show Tortoise Git as well. So here if you see, like I am having same yeah, so this is my like local directory. So I am developing these projects, like this is one bidding site is there. So everything is whatever I did development, it's hosted in my own repo. So this is like multi-vendor e-commerce site. So it's a complete project, right? So here yeah, you can see like Rakesh we created in editor. So it's already there. So here once you right click, so here you will get Tortoise Git. So I think Windows 11 some support issue is there. So clone option is not showing here. It will show clone and everything. So like this is the menu which we are currently getting, like push, pull, repo. Then whatever changes we have, we can revert it. Okay. Then merge is there. Then here we can add, create tag. We can also create. So tag is something like we used to release one stable version, we put it in a tag and release it. So like these all things, whatever we can do, like here you can see just option is there, but UI field is not there. So that we will get from like source tree. So here like whatever changes you made. So right now it's blank, right? So let me create one file under it. So
Source tree is like a UI path, is it? I mean, it's a UI.
yeah, UI path, not UI tool.
Okay.
Like Git UI tool. Like Tortoise Git is a bit old, right? So we don't like that. So it's updating on regular basis. So we'll use that. So let me create another. No, not here. Let me minimize everything. Yeah, now I will create. So let me create something like Saurabh.js. So I'll create one JS file and one more. Rama.py Python file. So like here, like you can see, like whatever file can see, it's showing in icon. So this is the beauty of VS Code. You are having multiple extensions, so it's very easy to work. So I have created two new files, which are new files. So let me go to source tree. Open. So this file status here, need to open one more. And browse. So repository need to be added. So we need to add that repository. Then only we can do different operation. So here, like we are having two sites. I just told you, right? One is the bidding site and another is the multi-vendor e-commerce site. So here we will see like whatever histories are there. You can see. So from a tool only, no need to open it. Here only you can see what changes we did. So I changed this like test git add and push. So whatever changes is there, it will be, if it is not pushed, so it will be something like uncommitted changes are there, which is in my local. So here you can see, like when you go to history, whatever changes is there, you can check like who did it, when you did it, you will get the commit ID as well. So it's very convenient to use. So let me like go to file status. So yeah, here I have two files, right? So first I will show you how to add it from here. So same like what we did in VS Code. So this plus icon is there. So once you click on here, so you will get like no contents is there. So you are not getting. So whatever changes will be there, this area, you will get it. Let me add some sample content.
So just a quick question. Workspace is like local space, is it? So where, yeah.
Yes. So this is a Python file. Control S. This is a JS file. Control S. So now I made the changes. It having some contents. I'm simply writing the content, not going with the syntax and everything, just to show you a demo. So now it will like, now look, the content is also showing, right? So you can also see the contents. Yeah, content is fine. Everything is fine. So it's more convenient. So I can see the file name. I can see the content. Now I will like simply add one file like rama.python file. I want to push to my remote repo. So I need to click on plus. Then again, we have to give some message. So like here, what for testing purpose, whatever you want to give, you can give. But like what we follow as a standard practice in our organization. So like we are working on agile, like it's a 2-week sprint delivery. So it's a running sprint, like every 2 weeks there is a sprint. So we write it something like this. So like my name is Saurabh. So I will write SS Saurabh Sinha. Then I'll give the current sprint name. Suppose it's sprint 221. Then I'll give like for which story we are doing. So suppose I'll giving it BS 2727. So under this story, whatever changes I have that I did. So this is the story name for tracking and in which sprint we did this work. So we give it, then again we will add like something like Python files added for some computation. Like for adding, I will give. So this is the actual message. What we this way we like a proper message. Like anyone, if you go to the commits and you see, okay, this file is added for this purpose. Like you can add anything, but in real life scenario, we have to add like this. And for testing, just this much you can add. So like once you do, then you need to commit here. Okay, so once commit is done, it will show you like your changes are committed, but you need, do you want to push it to remote repo so that everyone your team will get the updates of what you did. So once you click on the push, so now file status, you saw only one file is showing. Earlier it was 2 files, right? So you need to click on this push. So it will ask which one branch you want to like add. So here like we are only having head and master branch. So like I don't want to push, so I can create a new branch. So that I will show you in a while. So suppose for now I will want to push it to master branch. So look, it's pushing. So again,
What's the
like we
difference
need to
between
authorize.
master and head, sort of any?
So you can authorize it.
Sort of any, what is the difference between head and master?
Head and master, head is the current position. Okay, like where we are having like let me open one note pen. I'll show you. So suppose like here one commit is there. Okay, so this is suppose this is commit A. Okay, so currently this is the latest commit. So our head will point here. So this is the head. Okay, so like as like other commits will come and like everyone will commit, right? So this is the next commit, then again commit. So like this way our head will go from here, it will go to here, then here, then here. So this way head will move. So suppose like this is a new person in the team, he did something wrong. So we need to roll back the code. So whatever changes we did and we like pushed it to remote branch, so we need to roll back. So what will happen? So this commit will be replaced and this we will point the head here. Like if this is the final one, so we will point the head here so that these changes will not reflect. Then we will run a deployment. So this code will be deployed to our like servers and we will run. So like head is the like current position where we want to, like where our code is pointing currently. Clear?
Got it. Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah. So this is the like something which now let me show how to create branches. So you can create branch like from like here you can see like from like Git also you can create branch. So and also like from here like here also you can create a branch. So let me try to create a branch. So yeah, new branch is there, right? So let me create one branch, test branch, working copy parent, create branch. It will, I'll give you like dev testing, create branch. So you can see like we created new branch, right? So it is locally we are creating branch. We can push it to remote, and in remote also there will be a feature of creating branch. Like let me go to the remote.
Why do you need to create a branch, Saurav? And just to push the code, or?
No, I didn't push the code. I am showing you like I want to create a branch. So yeah, here branch is there, right? Yeah, so you can see like only one branch is there, master branch. So like in real time scenario, you will create branch for every environment. Like I will give it like something like it is SS underscore Laravel underscore dev. So this is our dev branch. Similar syntax we will follow, like we can we did it for dev branch, like whatever we developer will do changes, we will first merge it here. So whatever commits you did here, so you have to raise a pull request to move it to QA branch, like your lead or reporting manager will approve that, then it will go to your remote branch. So we will create another branch. So like this is the QA, quality assurance branch. So this is a QA branch. Then again, you can create a new branch, Control V. So this is something called UAT branch. Then again, the final. So like once our code is passed from user accessibility testing, then final we will move it to production branch. So this is the production branch here. You can see like these all branches we have, but these are all our remote branches, right? So whenever we go to our here you see only 2 branches are there, right? So how we will get all the branches? So for that you need to click on the fetch. So git fetch command will fetch all remote branches. So let me fetch it. So you see whatever branches I created, our it already came right here.
Yes.
Any doubt, anyone?
Which, where did you create these branches, Saurav?
What?
Which place? Like here we can see workspace, and then this is local, right? And
Yes.
then so these branches you create in a remote place, is it?
Yes, remote places. So you, if you want this branch to be in your local branch, okay, then like simply you can like double click it. So it will look. Now this one is your local branch. Whatever changes I did, so it will go to dev branch. So remote dev branch it will go. So clear this, right?
Yeah, understood. Thank you.
So like earlier we was pushing to master branch. So ideally this is not the case. So once our code is tested, validated, and it's a stable branch, so like from there we can update the master branch. So ideally we do it from the production branch with all the stabilities are there.
Okay.
So like let me commit this one. So this one I will like currently I'm in the SS Laravel dev branch, right? So this file I will commit. So let me stage it for the commit. So I stage it. Then I'll again use the message. So like for dev testing. So for dev testing, we are adding this. So we can add it, we can commit this. So here you see like for dev testing. Okay. So this is the commit ID. So we have to push it. So once you push it, so here you have the flexibility, like whatever branch, either you local branch is SS Laravel dev. So if you want to push this in the same remote branch, you can push, or any other branch you want to push, you can push. Okay. So ideally we will push it to the dev branch, then we will click on push. Okay. So like every time it's asking to sign in. Okay, so here there is one option of token. So you have to generate a token and you have to like add it here. So it will not ask, it will directly push. So that is Git is a bit vast, so it will take some time. So whatever I'm telling, like it's the basic, like this much if you know, you can like work. Okay, now you see. So our commit message is there for dev testing. So in which branch we pushed it, so it's showing like SS Laravel dev for dev testing. Okay, now if you go to the Git, so let me go to my repo. So what file I just pushed? Can anyone tell me file name?
JS, it's a JS file, right? .js.
Yeah, so you see here .js is not there. Some .js file is there, right? So
Yeah.
which file, if you go here, you will see like here for once you click here, it will show like which file, Saurabh.js file was pushed, right?
Yes.
But in browser, when you are looking into the repo, that file is not there. Can anyone tell me why it's not showing here? Anyone?
Do we need to
Any idea?
refresh?
Anyone?
Do we need to refresh?
Yeah, we can refresh, no problem. So like whatever you and one more thing, like whatever repo you create, there is a readme file. So readme file is something like user will go and check like, okay, what is the like this repo is all about. So here you can see like this is the like website we designed. So here it will show like what all features are there. It's a multi-vendor. So whatever details you want to add, you can add. What all languages are there. Okay, so these all things are there. So which all technologies we need to use, which kind of web server you need to use. So everything you have to give, like how you will install. Okay, so end-to-end information you can give in readme.mit. So this is the admin panel, it will look like something. So here this way you can like create the readme file. Any idea, Devendra, like why it's not showing here?
It's not committed.
Yeah, it's already committed. It's committed. And I already pushed. Yeah, you can see.
Okay. I think it should be approved, right?
Yeah, it uploaded, but it's not showing.
Yeah.
So why it's not showing? You see, like had recent changes 3 minutes.
Right. We should click on that one, right?
Yeah, no, actually what happened. So right now, this is the like something very confusing. So new developer will not understand. So here, what we committed this in SS Laravel dev, right? But this here we are pointing to master branch. So if you go to this dev branch, then only you see, because whatever branch you pull that file, right? You push that file, here
Right.
it could be available. So you have to change the branch, right? So this is something you can consider, like in local, you are having different folders. So for single project, you are having 4 folders. So if you copy this to like folder 1, so contents will be only available in folder 1. Till you copy to folder 2, it will not there. Like here you see Saurabh.js file is there. Got this, right?
Yes, sir. Understood. Thank you.
Yeah. So this is the like first stage of commit. So here like pull request we are telling, right? So here you can give pull request. So compare and pull you will do. So what it will do. So it will ask you where you want to pull it. So we will do compare and pull. So what I told, like so this is a pull request branch. So here like whatever commits are there, you can see what all commits we did. So in green plus, it will show like these changes are added. If I delete something, so that will be like minus will become and the color will become red. So here like a empty file we also committed. So it will show you like you are committing an empty file. So here allow edits, contributor is also there. So here able to merge, this branch can be automatically merged, but I don't want to merge. So this is the branch master. Okay. And this is the head of the repository. So we master branch is always the default branch. So here we can having like SS Laravel dev. Okay. So like I want to create pull request. So I want to add like which branch I want to add. So let me add it to QA and check. Yeah. So for QA branch, I am going to do a pull request. So like if you want to write something, you can write, or else you can also leave it, no problem. So like create a pull request. So let me create a pull request. So here it will show you like, okay, whatever branch we write. So if you don't write anything, by default, it will show you the branch name. So this is the branch name. So this pull request is open. So merge like my whatever my name is there. So ss.takeheights wants to merge 4 commits. Okay. Into master from this QA. So like here, like you saw, like master is coming and this is coming QA. So I think we did it wrong. So we have to change like from master. This here we have to put like dev branch, and here we have to put the QA branch. So let me edit it once again. So from dev, it's not coming. It's not giving option to edit actually. So let me check. Yeah, QA. Okay. Compare and pull. Master branch is there. So like here, actually we created this Laravel project. So we took like we took code from here. So it's not showing. So that is the reason. So once you created a repo from scratch, so then only. So for this, we can only push it to master branch. So that's why it's asking like from here where you want to push. So it's directly going to master. You see like our branches only available here, like whatever we created. So this direct merge will not happen here because it's directly pointing to this. So head you are asking na this. So this is the head, like head is always pointing to this master branch here. So you see like whatever branches available, so that we can only see. So so we don't want to push in the original branch like this one. So that's why we are not able to do that. But in real time scenario, like we can push it. So I'll show you from the here. So from here you will see like let me go to the QA branch here. So in locally we will do, not in remote, because I don't want the original developer codes got disturbed with that. So this is the QA branch. Okay. So like if you want to merge, so what you need to do, so here you can just click. So here you can see merge SS into current branch, right?
Yes.
So what we are trying to do, whatever pull request we are trying to do it in the origin, so that is directly going to the master branch of the like owner of the code, right? So that we don't want to do. So we just want to like push our change, merge our changes to QA branch. So simply you need to click on the branch where we have file. So let me show you, like in QA branch we will not have that file. So let me go here. Yeah. So master. So we have not merged it with the master, and we will not merge also because I don't want to like disturb the original file. So let me go to my repo only. Your repositories. Yeah. So this one. Yeah. Yeah. So my name and repo is coming. So here I will get like in dev branch, we are having this JS file, but in QA branch we don't have. So we'll see, like QA branch, no JS file is there, right? So after this merge, like pull request is something like you want to copy the changes from the current branch to the next branch, like a higher branch. So QA is higher than the dev branch. So we want to commit our changes to the QA branch. So how we will do that? So here, like we need to right click and merge is there, right? So merge current branch, merge a dev branch into current branch. So this I will do. So it will ask you for confirmation. Are you sure you want to merge into current branch? Okay. So this is direct merging. So here, like you will not have the flexibility like to get it reviewed from your seniors. So in real time scenario, one particular Git repository, we are having like 10 developers, 20 developers. So some lead will be there. So you have to keep them as a reviewer and you have to raise a pull request. So that I can't show you because we don't have that much access here. So here, like, yeah, you see changes are now it's showing one changes came, right? So
Yes.
if you click here, so you see like this Saurabh.changes is came, but it's in my local. So you want to merge it to remote branch. So same strategy we have to follow. Like we have to click on the push. Then we have to like here you can see like dev QA is showing. So I already have these changes in dev branch. So I don't want. So I only push it to QA. So this is the branching strategy we are using. Yeah, now changes are there. So if you go to the Git, yeah. So here, let me refresh it. Yeah. So here you can see, like, look, this JS file came, right? In QA branch.
Yes.
Earlier it was not there. So this way it works. Now we can like whatever we want, we can do it. So this is the like something which is related to Git. So you can ask any question you have. Anyone? Or if you want, you can also try it. You can install the software in local and you can try it for 10-20 minutes.
Oh, sure, sir. I will just try. Source tree, right? We need to install, Saurabh.
Yeah, source tree you can install, VS Code you can install, Git account you need to log in. Then there, like once you go, so here you will find like code space is there.
Okay.
So here you can create a new code space like what you want. So here, like when you are creating, like for now, just you log in and create one account. Okay.
In GitHub, right?
Yeah, in GitHub. And from here, like once you click login here, so you will see new. So once you have to select. So new, like yesterday Devendra told na, create new repository. So one public is there, one private is there. So you can like select public or private, whatever you want. README file, like I show you, right? This README contains all the details of your project. This you can create. And then license, like you can keep it like open license, MIT license, whatever. For testing, you can also avoid it, no problem. Then you have to create it. Like I'll create one repository. Okay, description.
So till now, whatever Saurav explained, so everyone clear, right? Or anyone having any doubt? This I also.
Yeah, not really
Jita.
doubt, sir, but yeah, once we do the hands-on, right, probably that time we might get. But now,
Yeah.
yeah.
So, but you may understood, right? Main thing is
Yeah,
that
yeah. Flow and everything is understood, sir. Thank you.
yes. Sandeep, Shubham, Sumant, Suchit.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
understood, Rakesh.
See, nothing is there, so it's not so much important for now. So just you understand the concept, okay? So in future you will need this one, okay? And once you are, if you are having some time, you just practice, create one account, log in, and just test. So decide what you can do. You can share your screen, okay?
Okay.
And Saurabh, can you guide him
Yeah, sure.
just for one demo file?
Yeah, let me show you one thing. So I will show them like clone. So this repo I just created, right?
Okay, yeah.
So yesterday also they shown. So I'll show you from the GUI. So this is the like our command, right? So this I need to copy, and then like I need to go to here. So here we want to clone a repo. So here plus we have to do. Then here local repositories is there. So here clone is there. So you need to click on clone, and whatever I just created, I will put it here. Okay. And destination file, where you want to keep your file. Like I am doing like development, so I will choose here only. So then I will clone it. So it will show like this already exists. So like I have to give the name. So same, I will give the name and then I'll click on clone. So look, it's cloning the remote repo. So right now you see I have having three projects. One is the bidding side. One is this one, multi-vendor e-commerce side, and one I just created initial commit. I just did few seconds before, right? So also if you go to the here, you will see like this folder got created and whatever files is there, it's there. So that's it. So let me stop sharing. So I have given you in detail explanation. Maybe I skip some topics, so I'll tell you if something I missed.
Yeah, sir, shall I share my screen and then we'll do the...
Yeah, you can do like which way you want, like without sharing, with sharing, it's up to you.
Yeah. I'll just share my screen.
I'll request everyone like who don't have idea, they also do it, like else you will forget.
Yeah, you can able to
First you have to install Git. Okay, then you have to download source tree, then you have to download Visual Studio. Then
Visual Studio also we would need, is it?
yeah, VS Code. VS Code you need to download and install.
Sorry, coming in which one?
Visual Studio Code. Okay.
Yeah.
Visual Studio. Visual Studio, I think.
You type VS Code?
VS Code, is it?
Yeah, VS Code. So like from here also you can install, and from store also you will get, like Microsoft Store is there. There you will also find, in Google also find, where you want you can install.
Okay, so I'll just... Visual Studio.
Yeah, third one.
Okay. This one is it?
Yeah, yeah.
Windows 64.
Windows 64. Yes, yes. Also, like download remaining as well. Like Git also you can download.
Okay, first I will
Source
run
you
this.
can download. One by one you need to complete.
Yeah, yeah.
सूचित कर रहे हो ना?
Path should be fine, right? So destination location.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's fine.
And okay, so Visual Studio Code. Next, select additional task, register code. So this should be fine, right? Add open.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
Keep it
everything,
default.
see, if you don't know anything, just let it be default.
Okay,
Okay.
okay,
Yes.
sir.
So the default setting, if you are searching, if you are stuck also, that in it also when you will troubleshoot, so it will show all the
Okay.
configuration on top of default setting only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So just do next, just finish. That's it.
Yeah.
Everyone, meanwhile, they can try. Okay.
I'll go. So I have to install GitHub also, right? Sorry.
Yes, yes.
Just here you need to understand the concept. That's it.
Okay,
It's
so
very
they will
easy.
not ask
Not GitHub, just Git, okay?
only Git.
Sorry.
Only
Yeah.
Git. GitHub is for like repo.
They will not add everything in there, but once you join some company and all, so that time is very important. Okay, because they will say that, yeah, download this code from this repository and start working. So we'll say, oh, which repository? What is repository? I don't know. I don't know anything. Then what they will do?
Right, Rakesh. We can get code from Google, but we cannot get repository or something,
Means
right?
you should know the step, right? How
Yeah.
to download, how to go. Once you join any company, okay, in interview they will not ask this whole thing, okay. But once you join any company, so you will need this one. Because they will anyways, they will keep some code someplace. You need to download. On top of that code, you need to work. Okay.
Okay.
So, or if they will give some work and they will say, yeah, upload whatever you have done, upload your code to this repository, create one repo and upload. Then that time we will say that what is repo? I don't know, sir.
Okay. So repository can be like anything, right? It can be GitHub or GitHub is
Yeah,
also
anything.
repository.
Only
Right?
Git, maximum company GitHub only they are using. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So at least if you practice once, so you will be familiar and you can ask help from your teammate and all, they will help you. But if you don't know anything,
Okay.
then they can't spin food, right? Every time what is it? For first time they can help you, but second time, third time, every time you can't go and ask, right? Same question you can't repeat.
And
Yeah.
they will irritate simply.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's the reason. Okay. This we are doing so that after joining any company, you should not struggle. Okay, that's the reason. We are seeing all the practical environment, how we used to work and all. So this is also one important thing.
And also, Rakesh, I don't think like any institute they will go this much
They
deep
will,
explain.
they will not show anything regarding it and all.
Here, like Dev, you, I, we all are like working, so we know like how things are running in background.
Yeah, very true, Saurav. Because I've gone through institute, right? So, but so they will not give these kind of exposure.
No, this is the real time. Like if you say na, so this is the like real time hands-on you are getting. So like whatever we are doing installation, that part will be handled by our IT team.
Admin team, right? Admin or
Yeah,
IT?
you don't need to struggle. You simply have to use that software. You know
Okay,
how to use it.
they'll install everything. They'll give the
Yeah,
login
yeah.
ID
They
and
install
password, then we
everything.
start.
Like
Yeah, okay.
yeah, whatever software is required for you to onboard in the project, na, they will install it for you. So you don't go and need to install like VS Code, everything. Here in your PC, just for learning you are doing. So there, that is completely IT will take care of. They will give you access to that repo. Then from checkout, your work start. You need to check out whatever changes you want to do.
And one more thing, Saurav, there is something called this credentials, right?
Yes, credential.
That is very important because sometimes it gets missed and we need to know that commands.
Exactly.
I mean, shall I choose anyone or it's fine? I can just go ahead.
No need to choose anything. Just install.
Okay.
like Rakesh told, na, whenever you are new to any setup or anything, don't play with the options. Simply install it by default.
Okay.
Anyway, if something is required, we can change it from setting, right?
Yeah, true. We can do that.
Like once you join any company, you will come to know like how much Git is important. I
Yeah.
saw people completed their task in 2 hours, then they are struggling 2 hours for
Upload because
resolving code conflict and everything because they don't know Git. And in development project, like it's like very much required because like 10 members are working in same file. So
Okay.
after 1 week also you are not able to resolve conflicts if you don't know Git properly. And only you will be held responsible if you're
If I'm not, able to upload the developed file into Git, right?
This all stuff, whatever you're saying, so it will help you in real time once you are deployed to any project. Okay. In interview, they won't ask this one, all things. Okay. They will simply ask what repo you are using. So you will say Git. Okay, that's it. Minor if they miss out of 10 interviews, they will only in 2 interviews they will ask. Rest everything they will ask from Spark, SQL, Hive, and all. But once you are deployed to some project, you should know this.
Okay, Saj. Select an app to open this HTML file. Which one is a best browser to use this one? Any recommended browser? I can use anything.
anything you can use. It's just asking for checking the release note. No need to go through it. It's not required actually.
Okay. Okay, now I installed Visual Studio and then Git.
Yeah, now you create one Git account actually. Then only you can do. Like you can create one account. You can like I just show you, na, create one new repository.
Yeah.
Then add one sample txt file there.
Yes.
Then you can take clone that repository in local. Then from Visual Studio Code, you can create one file. You can push it there.
Okay.
So similar way, you can play with that. If you spend, I think 1 or 1 hour or 2 hours, like if you are new to this platform, so that will be more than enough.
Oh, sure.
Nothing more you need to do.
Sure, sir. We'll do that. Sir, how do I need to create account here? I mean, I'm not getting option. Did I create it?
Google search that create like GitHub account. It will
In
show you the
GitHub only you
directly.
need to create.
Sign up, it will show.
open that GitHub, right? Search for GitHub.
Yeah, GitHub. Yeah, GitHub I'm getting. So
Yeah, you need to have GitHub, which means like repository account, okay?
okay.
Or Bitbucket, but Bitbucket is mostly private, so GitHub is public, so you can use GitHub. No, you clicked on sign in. You need to click on sign up, right?
I think I had created, but long time.
Okay.
Join GitHub.
Yeah, I think it's sent one passcode to your email.
Yeah, I'll just check that.
Can you check in all mails or spam somewhere
Yeah.
or updates?
Yesterday also, I think I have not got, so that's what I was just checking probably.
Actually, their servers are loaded right now. So like in morning, it took 15 minutes for me to receive that mail.
Oh, okay. But
So,
at
yeah, it will
least,
come in inbox only, but it will take some time. So
oh,
once it is there, then only you can like do.
oh, fine, sir. Then I'll do it.
Yeah,
So
you
first I
can
need
do
to
it.
create this
Yeah,
GitHub, right? So yeah,
yeah, set up, you create everything, you keep everything ready. And for
okay.
VS Code now, you have to install extension. Git lens is there, so that you can install.
Okay.
So one day I will take one session like how to use VS Code properly, what all extension we should use. So it will help if it is required, and if it's not, then it's fine, no problem.
Sure, sir. Thank you. Shall I stop sharing?
Yeah, you can stop. Like once code is there, then only you can proceed further.
Okay, sure.
So till now, whatever Saurav had discussed, so everyone clear, right? So make sure that at least just go through this one, okay? So in future, we'll need this one.
Yeah, sure, sir.
I will share this recording so it will help you.